How to fix your television. Who has ever had a television break and the problem was internal? Unfortunately, it happens to the best of us, especially with older televisions. I too have had my television break internally at one point, so I'm here to walk you through how to fix your own television. Surprisingly, fixing a television is quite simple once you know what to do. The first thing you have to do is take your back panel off of your television, like this. As you take a look at the inside of your television, you may think to yourself, what have I gotten myself into? Well, don't let it scare you away. Our next step is quite simple. We must look to see if there's anything broken or out of place. I fortunately see the problem right away. 2 of these magnetic conductors have come off. I will just put them back on in their respective places like so. They're easily snapped into place if they decide to work. And we can just put them back on and never have to deal with them again. Unfortunately, not all problems are this easy. So the problem on your television might be a bit harder to spot. Some problems on televisions can happen even in the capacitors of your motherboards. Therefore, you might have to go get your television repaired at a professional. These are very, very difficult to work with and aren't easily replaced. Depending on how old your television is, you can also have something like this, mercury, in which case the wires connecting the mercury to the back of the television might have been frayed or burnt off. Do not fix this yourself. Please go get it repaired and go from there. After finding out if your problem is easily fixed or if you need to repair it and have it manually repaired by someone other than you, it is time to put the back panel back onto our television. Line up all your holes so it just fits right back on. Our next part is to screw all the little screws back into it, like this. Maybe. Make sure to line up your screws inside the holes so you do not strip them. And hold your television, if it's a moving one like mine. Now, if you're like me and don't want to take the back off of your television and then look at all of those pieces and have no idea what is going on and be so distraught that you just wasted your time, I have a much easier solution for you. I will demonstrate. Please watch carefully as I show you my easiest way to do this. First, you get a baseball bat. And second, you beat the thing. So in conclusion, if you've decided that you don't want to fix your television yourself or take it to have professionally repaired, you smash it and then take it to the curb.